gun. It's by Atlas. What this is. Yep. I've used this quite a few times. I'm not very good at using it, but for now, that's what I'm going to be using. Here are the pins. Alright, this is what the pins look like. So you slot them into the gun. And then you press. But before I do that, I want to make sure that I have my first target layout ready. So I kind of know how to go from here. So I'm gonna push it in. I'm gonna press it. It should turn red. You should see some smoke that also comes out. Once it's red, as you can see, you press it along. So I know this is the progress I've made. All the little shapes you see on there are all plastic welded. Ideally, this would not be strong enough to hold pressure because all this is cracked. I would have to put another board or film process. But since it has this plastic that's gonna go over it, I'm a little comfortable leaving it like that for now. It's a little bit sturdier now. I have to just get the center and a few of them in the back and we should be good to go. Also, I'm gonna have to cut some of the fabric off here for my new fabric to go over. Alright, I have successfully put in all the pins. As you can see, there were a good number of them, not too bad. So remember, this is a very simple project that I'm trying. This is going to be the new fabric that goes over it. So you tell the design texture. So it's going to go over this. I was planning to add a bit of suede on it, but I don't know how well it's gonna go. I might have to come up with a way to have all of them over, but for now, this is good. I have the plier here to snip all the stands out over there. Just snip all of them off. Alright, the next step after I have put everything in there a little bit firmer, I won't bend it too much because it's a little flimsy, will be to cut the edges all around here and make it a little bit cleaner. Now that it's a little bit cleaner, I'm gonna have to cut some of this fabric. I don't know if I should go along with half black, half of the white color, and half of the black suede. So this is the black suede. Yeah, I don't know if I should go half and half like this. together. And this is the final design, final outlet. It doesn't look so appealing at the moment, but basically it's going to be suede and the white material in the middle. Closer look at what the materials look like. And I was thinking of initially doing something like this along where it's, you know, two blacks on the side and everything in the middle like this, or, you know, doing something like this with, you know, everything in the middle like this. Let me lock it in together and then we'll take a better look. So I ended up going with this order of the suedes on the side and the strip in the middle. I feel like it makes it more centered, so that's what I stuck with. And I am going to attach the piece on the back for now. I'll let everything dry in and transfer this into my car tomorrow morning.
Don't try to apprehend him.